Hey guys, T here, coming to you today with a couple of little health pointers using honey and apple cider vinegar. So if you have a stomach ache or the poops or your stomach is just turning, the best recipe for you is to use honey blend with your apple cider vinegar with the mother. So be sure that your apple cider vinegar is real. So what you're going to do is just take yourself however much you want. Just add some honey on in there. This is my lavender blend, but of course this can just be your regular honey. Want to make sure that your honey is real too, not the little squeezy bears that are fake honey. You want some real honey. You want to take your apple cider vinegar. You want to fill that up. Give it a stir and down that. The honey is going to tone it down. So anybody who can't stand the flavor and the taste of apple cider vinegar, by all means, this honey will tone it down, give it a sweetness, and actually let it go down so much smoother. So we're just going to give that a stir and take the shot. That's actually going to kill a lot of the bacteria. Now I got gnats from my fruits wanting to get my apple cider vinegar. But this helps kill bacteria in your stomach, and you'll feel it working immediately. And you'll go to the restroom one good time and probably a final time, but this is actually magic. Now, if you have body pains, what you can do is do the same thing. You're going to add your turmeric. And remember, anytime you add turmeric, you're going to have to add pepper. It's an enhancement. Give that a stir and down it. Now, if you have allergies, what you're going to want to do is just actually make sure that you have local honey. Do the same thing here. Just make sure you have local honey. And the easiest way to find that is Facebook Marketplace. You can go to your Apple Markets, your local natural health stores, but you want to make sure that it's actually somewhere local. So we have honey that's in Cantonment. We have honey that's in Gulf Breeze. Make sure that it's the closest to you because that's where the plants are. All the plants that might be triggering your allergies is going to be in your local area. So it's best to target the closest that you can to your local honey and get that honey. So what you're going to do is just down this. This is so good. This actually also helps for weight loss. So if you take a shot of this before you go to sleep every single night, not only is it going to neutralize your body, but it's going to help you if you have acid reflux, and it's going to help with weight loss. So it's T here again. Make sure that you like and subscribe my channel. I'm just a neighbor helping a neighbor, and I don't have any specific genre, but I'm pretty sure there's something in my channel that could help you. So be sure to see me on the other side. Until next time, guys. Peace. I'm gonna get a little bougie with mine. Pinkies up. Bon appetit. Be sure to come back and let me know how this works for you. Especially if you're like in the bathroom stuck and this takes care of your situation. Come back and tell your girl how it went for you.